Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to calibrate Joy-Con controllers on the Switch 2. To do it, from the home screen go to the settings. Now find controllers and accessories. Now scroll down until you find the Calibrate control sticks. Click on that. You can tilt the control stick you want to calibrate. So like, let's calibrate the right one, for example. Now, when the control stick isn't being touched, the cursor above will appear as X cross, as plus cross. When the stick is tilted, the cursor will appear as a dot moving within the outer circle. And when the stick is fully tilted in any direction, the outer circle will light up. So you can see it actually is like that. And now, if it isn't working as expected, in my case it is, but if it's not, then you can click on X to calibrate. Then avoid calibrating unless there's a problem. I'm not gonna actually I don't have a problem, but I'm still gonna calibrate it just to show you. You need to tilt the control stick toward this icon. Release it now. Now do it here. Release, and release. Now move it around in 2 or 3 full circles. And the calibration is complete. And now you can see it works properly. And that's what you can do with the right stick as well. I'm gonna click on Y to go back to default settings. So like my calibration doesn't mess anything up. Now I'm gonna go back, and you can also calibrate motion controls. So you can calibrate the console or controllers. I'm gonna calibrate the controllers, of course. So I think I may need to detach them first. Hold or minus or plus on the controller you want to calibrate. And I need to detach it, so I'm gonna detach it first, then hold on plus. Now place it on a flat surface. And the calibration is completed. And that's basically all you need to do. You can also calibrate the console. You need to detach the Joy-Con controllers first, then lay it on a stable surface, and it gets calibrated. And I think that this will be basically it. You can also do things like change grip or order, but these are of course these are settings, it's not calibration. And that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.